In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align text in WPS Office Desktop. Properly aligning your text can make any document look more polished, professional, and easier to read. In this tutorial, I will guide you step by step on how to align your text exactly the way you want it using WPS Office on a desktop computer. First, open the WPS Office application on your desktop. Once it is open, navigate to the document you want to work on. You can either open an existing document from your files or create a new blank document. For this demonstration, I will open a document that already contains some text. Once the document is open, locate the text that you want to align. To begin aligning your text, use your mouse to select the paragraph or section that needs adjustment. Once the text is highlighted, go to the Home tab at the top of the screen. In this tab, you will find a section dedicated to paragraph settings, which includes all the alignment options. If you want to move your text to the right, click on the Right Align icon, and your selected text will immediately shift to the right side of the page. To center your text, click the Center Align icon, and your text will be perfectly centered on the page. Similarly, if you want your text to align to the left, click the Left Align icon, and your text will return to the left side. WPS Office also allows you to experiment with Justify alignment, which spreads your text evenly across the page for a clean, professional look. After selecting the alignment that best suits your document, click anywhere outside the text area to ensure the changes are applied. Your text will now remain formatted exactly as you intended, making it easier to read and visually appealing. By following these steps, you can quickly format your document on WPS Office Desktop, whether you are creating a report, letter, or any other type of document. Proper alignment enhances readability, improves the overall presentation, and gives your document a more professional appearance. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.